Word of the day. Bring means to carry or take something or someone to the place where the speaker is, or to cause something to happen. मतलब लाना, ले आना, साथ लाना या सबब बनना. Let's learn uses of the word bring with examples and practice sentences.
English Booster by Kashwani. One word a day. Say it the better way. Subscribe for your daily dose.
To carry something to a place. किसी चीज़ को लाना. Example, Please bring your book tomorrow. बराए मेहरबानी कल अपनी किताब ले आना. To take someone with you. किसी को साथ लाना. Example, She brought her sister to the party. वो अपनी बहन को पार्टी में ले आई. To cause a result or situation. किसी नतीजे का सबब बनना. Example, Hard work brings success. मेहनत कामयाबी लाती है. To introduce a topic or idea. किसी बात या मौजू को सामने लाना है. Example, He brought up an important point. इसने एक अहम नुक्ता पेश किया. To make something available. किसी चीज़ को मुहैया करना. Example, This job brings good opportunities. ये नौकरी अच्छे मौके फराहम करती है. Let's practice these sentences to save in your active memory. Learn and repeat. Please bring some water for me. बराए मेहरबानी मेरे लिए कुछ पानी ले आओ. She brought her laptop to school. वो अपना लैपटॉप स्कूल ले आई. Don't forget to bring your ID card. अपना शनाख्ती कार्ड लाना मत भूलना. He brings lunch from home every day. वो हर रोज़ घर से दोपहर का खाना लाता है. Hard work brings success. मेहनत कामयाबी लाती है. She brought her friend to meet us. वो अपने दोस्त को हमसे मिलवाने ले आई. This news brought happiness to everyone. ये खबर सबके लिए खुशी ले आई. Please bring your homework tomorrow. बराए मेहरबानी कल अपना होमवर्क ले आना. He brought flowers for his mother. वो अपनी माँ के लिए फूल ले आया. Traveling brings new experiences. सफ़र नए तजुर्बात लाता है. She brings a smile to my face. वो मेरे चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट ले आती है. The teacher brought a new idea in class. उस्ताद क्लास में एक नया ख्याल ले आया. Please bring your friend with you. बराए मेहरबानी अपने दोस्त को साथ ले आओ. His words brought peace to the situation. उसके अल्फाज ने सूरत हाल में सुकून पैदा किया. She brought the documents on time. वो दस्तावेज़ात वक्त पर ले आई. It's time to homework now. Make any two sentences with word and share in comment section to make collection of beautiful sentences for practice and use it in your daily life from today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Share and subscribe for more videos.